Hello student, just get ready to get exercises. I am Veena Dixit. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Which of the solution has pH 11? I am talking about equilibrium. So 10 to power minus 11 mNaOH, 10 raised to power minus 3 mHCl, 10 to power minus 3 mNaOH or 10 to power 3 mNaOH. I selected 10 to raised to power minus 3 mNaOH. Why not 11? Why not 3? This is acid, so it will never have pH is equal to 11. So it is out. Now this 10 to power 3 mNaOH, it is also out. So we have to select, this is also out because if it is having 10 to power minus 11 mNaOH, then what will happen? 11 pOH will be 11, so pH will be how much? 3. So it will not be acidic solution. It will be acidic, not basic. I will tell you here why. If 10 to power minus 11 it is, I am talking about NaOH. Okay, so at that moment what will happen? OH negative concentration will be equal to minus log of 10 to power minus 11 will be the pOH. Okay, so pOH will be here 11, right? So pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So pH will be equal to 14 minus 11. That is equal to how much? 3. Okay, so pH is equal to 3 means it is acidic solution. Why? Because it is so it is written NaOH, but water molecules are having 10 to power minus 7. Okay, so at that moment we'll see that okay, if it is 10 to power minus 11, the solution is not alkaline because of this. Okay, now I selected this. pOH is equal to minus log of OH concentration, that is equal to minus log of 10 raised to power negative 3. So pOH is equal to 3. So pH plus pOH is equal to 11. So it is having 11. This is correct because they are asking which is having pH 11. Now which of the following has the largest pH? 0.1 NaCl, 0.1 N acetic acid, 0.1 N NaOH or 0.01 N NaOH. So C has the largest pH. Why I have selected this? 0.1 N NaOH is equivalent to 0.1 M NaOH. That is OH ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 1. So pH is equal to minus log of OH ion concentration. So put the value here. So we will get minus log of 10 to power minus 1. So it will be 1. So pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus pOH, that is equal to 13. So in this case 13 pOH in 10 to power minus 2, pOH is equal to 2.